So guys, if you watch the Skibidi Toilet from the Boom episode 74, the most saddest moments, the Goody Titan cameraman died. For him, pay respect. Comment down below that RIP of Goody Titan cameraman. He is the oldest Titan out there. The only survivors I think is Goody Titan Cinemaman and Goody Titan Speakerman. But I think cameraman can get his cook so he can revive him. I think that's gonna be in the future episodes. I hope he doesn't die too, bro. Bro, for him, bro. Him. Goodbye. Pay respect to upgrade Titan cameraman.